Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Before going ahead, I would like to wish you each and every one of you Happy Independence Day. Before moving ahead, tomorrow it is on holiday, but we will be taking out the levels for Monday, that is 18th of August. Right? Before going ahead, we will take the summary also. What happened today? What was our view yesterday? And did it went according to the view or it went against the view? What were the reasons if it went against the view? Right? So look, let us begin off with Nifty. This is we marked up yesterday. 24,660 levels was our resistance, and we had a support at 24,547 levels. In between, we marked a blue line at 24,595 levels. I said it clearly, if you open up, wait, you can take up a long positions, but confirmation should come at 24,660 levels, right? But we, as expected, I said yesterday that I'm expecting a sideways movement. There is a high chances Nifty getting stuck up in between due to OI and PCR. We checked the PCR also. PCR was at 1.07, which was indicating that a put and call ratio are almost at an equal side. So there will be a fight. In that fight, market tends to remain sideways, right? Let us check out what happened today. We opened up over here. We got a good rally, but we did not cross our resistance. This resistance has acted like both the ways you could have trader. If you are a good at catching up the trades and finding up a good setups at a very faster pace, then you have found a very good this, right? So from here we got a bounce. We did not crossed our resistance. We came up back again. When it came back, initially it gave a bounce from 20 MA, and after that it gave a bounce from 50 MA, right? And I have already indicated we will look for downside once we breach the line, right? Once we breach the line, then only we will look out for downside, but we have to be careful because Nifty has already made a higher high, right? 24,700 levels, there was a higher high. You can see this one. This one. So next, I think so it should be somewhere over here. Distance, I would say the distance of travel, right? Students must be getting it. Okay, I usually check out how long did it take to come, what happened in between, and then what we can expect. So I can expect somewhere over here. So on 20th of August or somewhere over here, yeah, 19th and 20th of August we can see a breach, or else if something happens on this 3 days holidays, Monday or Tuesday, we can see a good breach. Once that breaches, then only we can see a upside movement. At that time, we will try to find out the demand zone and we will go long over that. You get me, right? So today Nifty, as expected, it moved sideways, and let us check out the daily candle. What happened in the daily? See, a small green candle, but something has to be noted over here. You have to note something. Let me, I have to delete this one. Okay. Yesterday we had wick both side and body in between. today the wick is upside and body is down, right? The good sign is we have got a green. Instead of having up a red, we have got a green. That indicates that buyers are trying to take over the positions. Still a long way to go for the confirmation, but yes, buyers are trying to take up the position. So the situation is buy on dips. Sell on rise will come only if we open up around 24,700 something. Then only sell on rise will come, because that is a major resistance area, right? Fine. Now kids are sending up some images of their homework. That's why poo is coming out. Fine. So Nifty levels, let us mark it out for Monday. Still Nifty remains the same levels. That is what is an indication. Nifty, the levels remain same. There will be no changes in the levels till we do not. Okay, downside there's a small one. Let us keep it as a very thin line, 24,470 levels. That is only 30 points away, so that is a very smaller one. Monday, if we open below this blue line, wait, let the same as I said yesterday, you have to wait for a good green candle to form over here. Do you get me? A good green candle should form. Over here. Only if a good green candle is formed, you can plan to take up a position over here. That would be a first target, and if again a green candle is formed over here, then this will be a second target. Do you get me? So till after first target, you have to trail immediately. So be careful on that count. You have to trail immediately. Let us check the PCR also and everything, so that we will come to know what, how long we can take up a position and how long we can hold the position. Okay, so Nifty, let us check the PCR. I hope the other data are also in. Last time at this time the data were not in. Okay, great. The data is already in. FII 1200, so not major impact. Open interest. Open interest Nifty still at a neutral level. So let us take off 21st of August. 24,600 and 24,700 levels. In between 24,600 and 700 it will be moving. So on Monday, no such big movements until and unless there is a major change in OI, which happens in the live market. So just have a watch on the OI. If there is any major changes in OI in the live market, then we can expect a movement in Nifty. Otherwise, it will still fight between 24,600 and 24,700. Once if it crosses 24,700, then we can see upside move, and if it closes below 24,600, then we can see a little downside move. Okay, so Nifty still trend is trying to make a move upside. That is a good move, but still buy on dips is the situation. Whenever you have a dip and you get a green candle, then you at the levels, when you get the green candles at the levels, then you can go take up a long position, right? So what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty, we had a very good trade in the morning. We opened up in between this two blue lines. I said it very clearly, if we are in between these two lines, avoid trade in Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty we don't have weekly expiry, we have only monthly expiry, and the premium tends to get eroded, right? But when Bank Nifty closed above this, our blue line, we took up a small long position and we played this long position. It was a beautiful 40-50 points in options in the money. That was a good trade which came up. This is how you have to trade. You have to wait for the levels to cross, and once you get the confirmation, then you take up a trade wherein your stop loss gets reduced. You have to check if the stop loss is within your limits or not. Then you take up that positions and you start trailing into the profits. Okay, so Bank Nifty, we got a beautiful trade today morning. After that, Bank Nifty was also on a sideways mode. It was bouncing on 50 EMA. That was a good position to take up a long, but only for scalping, not for any single lots and big movements. That was not the situation. It was too many lots and small movements, right? So only scalping was there in Bank Nifty. Obviously the premium was getting eroded. So you can check out 55,000, 55,100, 200 and 300 call premiums, and also the put premiums 55, 500 and 55, 600, 55, 700 premiums of puts. You will tend to see that the premiums have got eroded, right? So these are the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Yeah, regarding EMAs, the EMA, I am seeing a good situation, that is 5, 20 and 50. These are the elements which I look out for. But at the end of the period, the 5 EMA was tending to come downside. So that is, we have to wait. If it comes down and if it touches 50 and then bounces back, then that is a good, at that time you are at some of the levels, then it would be a good time to buy and go long, since your stop loss will be very much minimized. Fine. So in Nifty also EMAs are aligned, but 5 EMA in the end, I think so due to expiry, the 5 EMA came inside, it came in between 20 and 50 EMA. So you have to wait and then trade on Monday. Fine. I hope you are trading very clearly and you are looking out at the levels, marking up the levels in your charts, and then you are seeing are they playing really well. After that you have to take your own study, have the comparison of the premiums of the calls and puts, find a strategy, put up a strategy, and then you have to trade. Fine. I hope you are enjoying the videos. Yeah, look out for the see, I have been sending you all the videos, but I would like you to put up a subscribe, click on the subscribe button, so that in future if I miss out sending you the videos, you will at least get the pop-up from YouTube directly, right? I'm coming up with 2 more videos. One is how to win in options even if you have a small capital, medium capital or a big capital. How the strategy should be placed and how you have to work, right? I'm just preparing that video. It is still under development, I would say. So once that is over, then I will be uploading that video also. Apart from that, if you want me to put up some of the videos, you can post it on a comment, so that I will check out your comments, and if possible and the time permits, I will be planning for that videos also. Okay, have a great day, enjoy your weekend, take care. Let us meet up on Monday evening.